I have a fan that we're going to hang right above me. Instructions, comes in a nice box. Everything's well packed. So let's open this all up, lay it out on the table for you. I have everything laid on the table for you so you can get an idea what this fan's about. We have here is a gimbal, a short, medium, and long pole that you can hang the motor and fan on that you're going to build. It's heavy, it's not super heavy, it's a nice motor. It's got all the wires and leads that you need to hook up. You have the plates, covers, and tops, and you have this piece that will go up on the ceiling. You have 3 blades, tri-blade. This is what the blade looks like. It's not wood, it's made of plastic, and it's flexible. It's strong here, and it's flexible here. You have instructions to get you started, and the only tools you're going to really need is just a Phillips screwdriver. You want to go a little faster, get yourself a drill and some basic wiring skills. Shut your AC off and let's get this build going. Now this fan is great for, say, a room that you look at, a porch that's enclosed, an enclosed gazebo, and so forth. So let's get this build going. We're given 7 of 6 bolts that we're going to use for the fan and place the blades on. Take the foam that they offer you in the box, place it on like so, so it gives you a base. 2 of them will do just fine. This way you can get the actual fans lined up like so. This may be a little tricky, so what you're going to do is take the cover. You're going to look for the best way to get the holes lined up. Take the cover, place off. Then you want to make sure all the blades go correctly and line up. And then take the cover and the blade, put one on, loose. Take the next bolt that they give you of the 7 and only use 6. And when they all go in correctly, then start working on the 2nd and 3rd blade. One person or friend or spouse, whoever, lift the fan, safely turn around, take the foam, put it underneath so you have a little protection for the bottom, and start to work on this particular spot by dressing the wires through the piece that you made. Grab yourself the tools that needs to put a screw in and the mounting bracket to your area that's going to be mounted to. This is the short rod. This is the medium rod. This is the long rod. We're going to mount this rod here so you get an idea of what everything looks like nicely hung in this room. Everything that is on this particular gimbal and rod is going to come off and loosen so you could drop down and place on the larger rod. There are screws that hold it on. That you're simply going to take purple for purple, snap on, gray for gray. You're going to take the cover, make sure it's down. You're going to make sure that notch faces towards the notch area in the back. You're going to place the gimbal on. Listen for the click. You're going to need a precision screwdriver that will fit into these things nicely and lock down your leads. Color code for color code. Put the cover on, tighten down, and you're ready to turn your ceiling fan on. You have a attachment that you hang on a wall. You have the batteries that are going to go into your transmitter and receivers. This is your control, all the controls and features of the unit. The fan is plugged on. Speed number 1. That is a nice, large fan. We have an all-off, optional light switch if we had lights, fan off, 6 speeds, a wind speed, a forward, a reverse, 1, 2, and 4 hours. This is speed number 6. As it shuts down and continues to the speed, that is awesome. I could feel that breeze from here. You can hear a very low hum. It is a low decibel fan. Now this fan has an off, we're going to shut it off. And we have a forward and reverse. Forward is great for the summertime and reverse is great for the winter time. So you want the heat to come off the ceiling in winter and you want the cool air to come down. So that's the difference between forward and reverse. Now this fan will move. It's meant to move like that. If you have a little bit of issues with weight, what you do is take the little rubber tab that they give you, you place it on, and you balance the fan out. Very simple to do, and let me show you that right now. This is a little magnet strip. You peel off. You simply, the fan wobbles, you place one on like so. You could give a little spin by hand, see if it wobbles. If not, what you do is take the fan, put it on like speed number 2. And there you go, the wobble's fixed. This build wasn't hard. It took me about a half an hour to do, taking my time. Very simple to do. I like that wind mode where it gives you a different type of breezes without touching anything. And this is great. Put it outside in the gazebo if you have electric there. If you have a power supply, day room, big room, living room, kitchen, wherever. It's a plastic fan. Don't got to worry about warp blades, whatnot. It's got that. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something you are looking for, that may be right for you.